Welcome to AutoGlide, your one-stop destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Creta, a compact SUV that has been gaining significant attention due to its refined features, advanced technologies, and improved performance. Whether you're considering it as your next car or simply curious about what it offers, this review will cover everything you need to know about the 2025 Hyundai Creta, from its specs to its standout features. The 2025 Hyundai Creta continues to build on the success of its predecessors, offering a fresh design, enhanced performance, and a host of new features. It comes with two engine options, a 1.5-liter petrol engine and a 1.5-liter diesel engine. The petrol engine delivers around 115 horsepower, while the diesel engine offers a solid 115 horsepower with impressive torque. Both engines are mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive driving. The SUV is equipped with advanced suspension systems that improve its handling, making it ideal for both city commutes and long highway drives. When it comes to design, the 2025 Creta is a visual treat. The exterior boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that add to its athletic stance. The rear features LED tail lamps that create a distinctive look, ensuring the Creta stands out in any crowd. The SUV's dimensions offer a perfect balance between compactness and spaciousness, making it easy to navigate through tight spaces while offering ample cabin room. Inside, the 2025 Hyundai Creta is loaded with premium features that elevate the driving experience. The cabin features high-quality materials, with soft touch surfaces and a clean, minimalist layout. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless connectivity. The Creta also comes with a premium sound system, automatic climate control, and a wireless charging pad for added convenience. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Creta, and Hyundai has equipped it with a wide range of features to ensure the well-being of passengers. These include multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, escape, traction control, and rear parking sensors. The SUV also comes with ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, which include features like lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring a safer drive on any road. In terms of comfort, the 2025 Hyundai Creta doesn't disappoint. It offers spacious seating for 5, with comfortable upholstery and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The cabin is also designed to minimize road noise, providing a quiet and pleasant driving environment. Additionally, the boot space is generous, allowing you to carry all your essentials with ease. To sum up, the 2025 Hyundai Creta is a fantastic package that delivers in terms of performance, design, technology, and safety. Whether you're looking for a car with modern features, a reliable engine, or a spacious cabin, the Creta ticks all the boxes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more reviews, news, and updates from the world of automobiles here at AutoGlide.